So you can always go here. You can add your calculators from this view. Click that and add it to the group. So we're at webinar 2, webinar 2. We'll call it Spline L1, 2. That is just it. So again, from an engineering point of view, you could, at the very start of a project, have the half lap joint available and the spline joint available at the very start, and take that to the client and have different fixings options, speak to different fixing suppliers. And again, that ability to get that speed of construction. But let's just fire through this. Spline thicknesses, you got your densities, your screw data. Well, you probably don't need, let's get our screw. Again, you can work through quickly. Follows the same process of the ETAs. You can input your forces, go back to the design data and see all the calculations. So through here, you can see here the geometry checks based on the distance between the screw loaded edge and the spline. So with that, you can start getting the actual geometry checks right from a spline joint. So again, I'm going quick mode here. I think I need to move it the other way. Oh, I've got it working then. So with the calculations, you can really configure your spline joint really quickly and easily to get the calculations and follow it all through. But logic follows the similar process of just not being a black box.